Or it doesn't go over, but it looks like it does.
So yeah, man.
Is it like a sock or?
First impressions.
It looks like
First impressions.
Instead of.
That's the Gator Raider Shield Series Insulated, boys. We're good to go for the winter.
Oh, they're thick, right?
Nice.
Oh, yeah. Like putting on something. Yeah, they are. They're pretty thick. Like,
Oh, get dressed with these bad boys.
yeah, let them take. They look pretty badass. Hey, we'll look later.
Check that out. Whole bubble.
These are mint, buddy.
That's the only problem I find out with the Gator Raider products. They're so damn nice you don't want to go out and get them dirty.
They're gonna get dirty, but
Yeah, they are.
pretty nice waiter. Like it. You got a set of these?